Hello everyone, today we are taking a detailed look at the water resistant Redmi Watch 2 Lite. In this video, we will cover unboxing, inbuilt GPS tracking, design overview, user interface, watch menu, watch face customization, smartphone integration using Mi Fitness app, and an IP68 water resistant demonstration with real evidence. So watch till the end. Now let's begin with the unboxing and look at the highlighted features. 3.94 cm colorful HD display, blood oxygen monitoring, 100 plus fitness modes, long battery life, multiple GPS system like Galileo, GLONASS and Baidu, and 5 ATM water resistant. Inside the box, you will find the Redmi Watch 2 Lite, user manual and warranty information, and a magnetic charging cable. The magnetic charger connects easily to the back of the watch and holds firmly during charging. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite comes with a 1.55-inch colorful TFT touch display. The screen is bright and easy to read both indoors and outdoors. The touch response is smooth, making navigation comfortable. The watch feels lightweight on the wrist, so you can wear it all day without discomfort. The silicone strap is soft, skin-friendly and easy to replace. To connect your Redmi Watch 2 Lite, install the Mi Fitness app, turn on Bluetooth, and pair the watch with your phone. Once connected, you can sync health data, receive notification, update the firmware, and download new watch faces. The connection is quick and reliable. Now, this is a feature many fitness lovers will really like. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite comes with an inbuilt GPS. That means you can leave your phone at home while going for a morning walk, running or cycling. The watch itself tracks your route, distance, pace and speed very accurately. So you can enjoy your workout freely without carrying your smartphone. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference for outdoor activities. It will show the exact path where I walked. This is the route shown on the smartphone. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite recorded this route using its inbuilt GPS. I did not use my smartphone during the walk. Let's explore the user interface. App layout in icons, and this is the app layout in lists. Swipe up to access quick settings, where you can control brightness, battery saver, flashlight, do not disturb and other shortcuts. Swipe down to view notifications received from your smartphone. Swipe left or right to access widgets such as heart rate, blood oxygen SpO₂, weather, sleep, activity, music control. Press the side button to open the complete app menu. We will explore each menu one by one. After clicking on the workout, you will get 100 plus workout modes. Few workouts are auto-detecting, just like walking, running, etc. You can even add few workouts. Now tap on activity. What activity you have done, one by one it will be shown here. This is the stats, means statistics, means how much calorie you have burned and how many steps you have taken. Now tap on heart rate monitoring. No heart rate is detected in the air. Once worn, the watch displays your heart rate, confirming it measures a real heart rate. Now tap on SpO₂, that is the blood oxygen monitoring. SpO₂ is 97%. Sleep and stress also can be monitored by this smartwatch. Now you can practice breathing exercise by tapping on the breathing. Inhale and exhale accordingly. Cycles for women health monitoring. Tap on weather and weather related data will be shown. Music and camera in your smartphone can be controlled by this smartwatch. Now alarm. Alarm can be set and activated directly from the smartwatch by tapping on plus button. Stopwatch. Now timer. You can get compass also. As I have told you, this smartwatch has inbuilt GPS. Then notification and find phones. If your smartphone gets lost in your home, your smartwatch will help you to find it out. Flashlight. Now tap on the settings on the smartwatch. From here, you can change the watch faces. Watch face also can be changed by press and hold of the screen. Brightness control, and it is ranging from 1 to 5. DND, do not disturb. Few workouts are auto-detecting, that is run and walking. I have told already. The screen gets locked within 5 seconds. You can change the time according to your wish. Cover to sleep means if you cover the wristwatch, then it will be going into sleep mode. and double tap for waking up the screen immediately. And these are the few more sub-menus. Ready for the ultimate water test? We will submerge two Redmi Watch 2 Lite watches completely inside a bucket of water to check the IP68 water resistance claim. They stayed underwater without any problem. After taking them out, both watches working perfectly. So yes, for everyday water exposure like rain, hand washing or swimming, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite performs confidently. Just remember, avoid hot water and high pressure water. I have been using this watch for the last 3 years. I wash it every day after returning from the school and it's still working perfectly with no issues. Overall, the Redmi Watch 2 Lite offers excellent value with its reliable water resistance, built-in GPS, large display, health tracking, long battery life, smooth MI fitness integration, customizable watch faces, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.